ducky! And there's a smaller one inside. We'll make it a friend. A marshmallow pig! How about we powder his nose? We want our new earrings looking their best. Barbie's ready to dance the night away. Uh-oh, who knew letters were so exclusive? No, not tomatoes! Think of the stains! This is why I like numbers better. It's okay, Barbie. Wipe away your tears. Wait a sec. I think she's onto something. Add some cotton. And paint. Pink, naturally. Soon you'll have a new mask. Now take some of that eyeshadow, shape it up, and add some stencils. And add some colored blush on top. Those letters sure leave an impression. Hey, it's Barbie's Mini-Me. If we're ditching the hat, make sure she's tucked in nice and tight. And don't forget, X marks the spot. Especially if we add some ribbons. Uh-oh, you stepped in Play-Doh. Actually, maybe that's not a bad thing. After all, you can't spell foot without F. Now what else can we add? Ooh, an A toy. And look, it's his best buddy B. They always make such a great pair. And now they'll make the perfect top. Barbie's sure been busy. Why not sit back and relax? What the? It's a broken pair of sunglasses. I know. Let's make a handprint. Add a face and some hot glue. Make sure to cover everything up. A is for arms, like sunglass arms. There sure are a lot of A's today. Just like Barbie's report card. Next up, let's take an old purse. Now open it up. What, the button's stuck? I wonder what's inside. Look, Barbie shoes. So that's where they all ended up. Stack them up and glue them in place. And P stands for pendant. Also pretty in pink. What's next? Fishnet stockings? Look, you caught one. Takes care of lunch. But for now, put on those stockings. Now make some little letters. And I don't mean lowercase. Add them on. Think there's enough room for the whole alphabet? Ooh, an apple. Take a bite. Now fill in those bite marks with glue. And we've got an extra set of chompers. Now cover this flip-flop. Roll it up. This should put a face on things. And now that you've got a mouth, it's snack time. Speaking of mouths, it's lunchtime. Look, Barbie's found a sandwich. Not to mention a plastic container. Draw 2 halves of a letter on top. Cut it out and add some heat. This should shrink it into place. Make a few more letters, too. When you bring them together, you've got a new ring. Make that rings. Oh, sticky! But this should help. It's a tiny toy washing machine. Throw in some letters, some thread, and a whole lot of foam. Turn it on. Aw, you've brought them all together. Plus, now you've got a new bracelet. Ooh, treasure hunting. Find anything? A phone. But it could use some glitter. Now pour some glue on top. And it's time for a great big bee on top. Just look at it go. Beautiful. Ooh, and your contacts transferred. Look what Barbie's got. Clear film. We can make it into a new skirt. And the best part, it's got pockets. A whole lot of them. Which means we'll need something to fill them up. Ooh, letters on letters. I was kind of thinking loose change, but that'll work too. What a pretty glove. Oh, it's covered in holes. I know. Add some nails at the end. And give each one its own face. Now cover each hole with a tiny jewel. Barbie's just gotta shine bright. Cake? No, it's just sand and erasers. Here's an idea. Make some letter shapes and fill it with clear glue. Add some eyes for a see-through letter. Hey, look, another Barbie! And a paperclip. Twist it into a nifty fake nose ring. And we're just getting started. Ooh, we almost forgot new earrings. First, grab an old plastic cup. Take a piece and make a cone. Now fill it up with some gel. And we've got a tiny new A. Of course, he's part of a pair. Okay, Barbie, let's show those bullies who's boss. Now she's got the power of the whole alphabet. Like a dictionary, but with better fashion sense. She puts the alpha in alphabet. Ooh, I think she's made an impression. Especially with A. Huh, he's in love.
Oh my god.
And I think she's about to say yes. Told you A and B made a great pair. Barbie's ready for the big Halloween party. Let's go inside. Uh-oh, guess there's a dress code. No pink, but we're about to see red. Here come the tomatoes. Oh, let's get out of here. They think they're so spooky. We'll beat them at their own game. This tomato juice makes great fake blood. What else? Ooh, granola dead skin flakes. A little jam for that nice bruised look. Aren't we two-faced? Now for that black eye. A cotton swab can fix your mascara. Ask your mini-me to lend you a hand. Add some lipstick for color. Give your eye a little something special. Ooh, piercings. Let's go with that one. But do we even have any nose rings? Let's see. Teddy bear? Banana? A spiral hair tie? Close enough. Break off a small piece and stick it on. Looks great, and it's easy to remove. Next up, we're gonna need a plush toy. You're coming to the party with us. Just need a little fake blood. And you've never been closer. Ooh, a spider! Let's catch it and whip up a hot glue spider web. It'll make a fetching choker. Silly spider, you're coming with us. Ooh, now let's fix those nails. Just grab a cocktail straw and dip it in some nail polish. It's a makeshift airbrush. Almost done. Just keep blowing. Ooh, now that's a splatterfest. Uh-oh, you've got a run in your stockings. Don't get mad. Just make some more. And they're fingerless armbands. Let's add some glitter. Use it to cover your hands. Now add some jewels while we're at it. Like a night sky full of stars. Next up, grab an old curtain. And why don't we empty those boots? Wow, it's a whole spider family. Now we're gonna need some chains. Just lay them down on the curtain. And start spraying paint on top. When you're done, peel everything off. Cut it out into a nice shape. And you've got a new dress. Next, we'll need a skeleton. A closet's always a good place to look. Told ya. Now grab some ribs. Add a plastic bag. Some light. And we can see your all heart. And lungs. Ugh, look, a spleen. Shame we can't use these clothes. But those hangers are another story. Fold them up, add some stockings.
Yay!
Twist 2 of them together and splatter on some white paint. Now let's make some holes. And hook up your new wings. Hey, watch your step. Don't worry, it's just clay. In fact, let's get creative. Smush it into shape. Add some paint. And try on your brand new hooves. Now it's time for some makeup. Blood red goes with everything. But do you think it's a little much? Nah, of course not. If anything, we need more. More colors, more shapes. And soon, we've got fangs. A nice outline's the finishing touch. Hungry? Let's take a snack break. Rats? A skull? Ooh, how about cauliflower? Though it could use some ketchup. How about we spread it out nice and thin? Pretty soon, it's a new brain. And every brain needs a jar. Don't forget some brain juice. Ooh, and eyeballs. All the better to see you with. Seal it up nice and tight. And don't forget some handles. Free brain. Now that's a deal. Ooh, it sure is windy outside. Probably have to rake the living room. But first, let's color in these leaves. And while we're at it, let's add some googly eyes. Now paint on a nice pair of fangs. And they've become vampire bats. Oh no, you broke a nail! Well, let's just make you a new one. Take some clay and make a whole new finger. And let's make it look absolutely ghastly. Like it's just about to fall off. And we've got a party to go to and prove who's the real scream queen. Who is she exactly? That's easy. A gargoyle zombie fairy. And your worst nightmare. Hey, Witchy Poo, pull her finger. Look, it comes clean off. And she's brought you guys a present. A free brain. A trick and treat all rolled into one. Always nice to put on a brave face. You just know she wants those shoes. Come on, everybody. It's close to midnight. Let's dance the night away.